Hey everybody, so I have a small haul. Today is Friday, the 27th of November. It's Black Friday. Small haul from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so these are the items that I picked up from Home Depot. I actually went to 3 different Home Depots to pick these up because one Home Depot had this guy, one had this one had this one, and this, and I grabbed these at the same time. So all of these 4 items I got together. I'll move the camera over here so it's easier to see. Just bring the light closer this direction. So I got all of these items at one Home Depot. I actually went to over 60 Home Depots today. I've been on the road for a little over 11 and a half hours. Between work and everything else. So I have the 6-inch version of this guy, and I like the 6-inch. I grabbed the 3-inch because they had it. This is the Makita Impact XPS. It is part number Echo 01367. I grabbed another mag boost for the XPS bits. I like these for the XPS bits. They work very well. It is part number Echo 01345. I grabbed the 3-inch of this Max Fit locking magnetic holder with the torsion zone. This is David Whiskey Alpha 3 Henry Lima Dr. Mary Frank. I grabbed the 6-inch version. Same guy. Locking magnetic extension. It is Dog Whiskey Alpha 6 Echo X-Ray Tony Mary Frank. And then I grabbed as well as the 12-inch version of the other 2. Locking magnetic extension with the torsion zone. This guy is David Whiskey Alpha 1-2 Extreme X-Ray Tony Mary Frank. And then I picked up, because they had a 12-piece of these Speed Demons for $25, something like that. This 16-piece during Black Friday was actually on sale for $19. It has it does not. It has a 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 3/8, and 1 1/2 inch. It's similar to probably made in the exact same factory, to be honest with you guys, as the Bosch Daredevils. And I have the Bosch Daredevils right here. They look pretty identical. This kit, I think, was a... This is an 18-piece set. Looks like they're all the same. 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8. Oh, this one comes with a 15/16. The Speed Demon does not come with a 15/16. It comes 1 inch, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 3/8 and 1 1/2. So the Daredevil kit I have has the 15/16 where the Speed Demon doesn't, which is not a big deal. I can always see if they have the 15/16 in the individual and just buy it for the Speed Demon. I figured I'd give them a try. Doesn't hurt to have extras of spade bits, especially when they get used hard. Just a quick video. I will pop these all out of their wrappers real quick. Actually have a dotted line on the back. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a perforation line. 12-inch. And I like extensions, especially different styles. Magnetic, non-magnetic, locking, non-locking. I buy extensions because I like them. They work well. I like different varieties of sizes. It's always nice to have different sizes. So down the road, you know, you don't know when you're going to need that specific one. The mag boost I've showed on the channel before. This mag boost only works, from what I can tell, with the Makita XPS bits. I do not think it works with Milwaukee or any others. I think it's basically the way they design the bit is for the XPS, or the only ones that are able to use it. And if you have older Makita bits, you're going to have to get the older mag boost. Okay, there's that guy right there. I'll cut this out of the package real quick. These are the items I got for Black Friday. Today is, you know, like I said in the intro, it is November 27th, 2020. The day after Thanksgiving. And I still use this. I use this for every video that I unbox something that's in plastic. Speed tip for less effort, because it's just a threaded tip. High performance in impact drivers. It does give you the part numbers on the back. Right there, gives you the part numbers. And it looks like in between right here, as well as right here, I can fit one more. So, looks like there was a spot right here for one more as well. But, just folds in half, just like the Bosch. And yeah, Velcro it. Easy, simple, nice. Let me grab a bit and I'll show you these guys real quick. As you guys can tell, I love extensions. I got the Milwaukee. I got the Milwaukee quick lock versions. I have these style. I have the Diablos. I have the Bosch Daredevils. I got Dewalts in here. Old style Dewalts. These are the new style Dewalts. But let me grab like this real quick. This is Milwaukee Shockwave. So I do like how that works. It's a quick insert. You just insert, it locks. You pull down on the collar. You can feel the item pop out a little bit. You slide it out. It's also got a little bit of magnetic force, which is nice. This guy is just a magnetic tip. These all work the same. Quick lock, pull to release. I also did notice at Home Depot today that they have the new DeWalt Max Torque available. So when they have extensions and everything like that for that guy, I will be picking them up. We'll also test the bits out. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. I will do a long-term review on all of these items down the road when I've had time to use them, and when I put some heavy use on them. I'll let you know if they break or anything like that. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the top of the description, I also have a link to Also Tools if you guys want to go check them out. That is a link with my name on it, my initials on it. Get you 10% off your order at alsotools.com. As well as it kicks me back availability to get 10% off of my next order at alsotools.com. And I will try to remember to link these in the description below if I can find them on Amazon or any other place that you guys might want to pick them up from instead of getting them at Home Depot. Maybe your Home Depot doesn't have them. I don't care what anybody says. Not all Home Depots are created equally. Even West Coast to East Coast, they're not the same. East Coast gets a lot of things that West Coast doesn't. I appreciate you guys sticking around with me today and hanging out with me. Please, as always, like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully, I'll see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace!